Hey guys, I'm unboxing this fake connection kit for iPad that I bought on eBay. Just got it in the mail. It just came in a bubble wrap mailer. You can call it. It's in a cheap thin cardboard box. It's partially destroyed, and I'm scared what this is going to be on the inside. Okay, let's look at the specs and stuff. Here it shows plug into iPad. You have a USB. You can plug iPod, iPhone, iPod Touch, and camera, and USB keyboard. I'm prepared. I've done this with an iPhone. It works, and I'm getting a silicone keyboard from eBay also for this. Absolutely no idea what this is. Focus. See. Focus. Not want to focus on that. Anyways, it says 2011 passed. That's what that says. Instructions, kind of long, don't care. It shows the original iPad, which I have iPad 2, which is what I'm using it now. It shows specs. Look at it yourself. If you guys are really interested in what this says, let's see. It shows stuff down there, which you guys can't see, so don't matter. Okay, so unbox it. I'm getting it here. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Get instructions. User guide. Just one thin sheet of paper, folded in half, which we don't need to read. And here it is. It's kind of big. A lot larger than Apple's connection kit. It's one piece. It's got this clear cap on the end. Let's see. Oh, alright, so just pull this out. Let's see. Yeah. If you guys travel a lot and you don't want to just throw this in your bag or something and have to worry about this getting dust and stuff in it, you can just slip it in this little bag. It's nice. Anyways, here it is. It says comparison with my hand. There it is. It's not too bad. I've not been able to figure out what the crap is this big port. This little port right here is micro SD, and this is USB. I should have videoed this like this. Yeah. Dang it. Sorry guys, this is gonna look weird, not full screen, because I forgot to video it the other way. But anyways, here it is. You just slide the cap up. It's hard, thick plastic. Let's see. That's a sticker. I'll take that off. Wow. They really do not want that sticker off. Okay, there's your 30 pin. Let's test out, see how well it goes in. Having technical difficulties. Tight fit. Wow, that is too tight of a fit. But it still works. Sorry, I got a text from text now. Okay, there's a switch, and that is card, USB. I got it on switch on USB because that's the only thing I'll be using is USB. I wanted a normal SD card slot because
actually, guys, it does take normal SD.
You get better video and pictures and stuff, and then upload to my iPad, edit with iMovie, and then put it on YouTube. whatever I want to do, but I can't do that now.
Yes, I can.
That seems like it's a little bit bulged like that. So
I don't know
it's
what I'm talking
thicker. I'll probably fix that, do something about it, so that it'll fit my iPad starter pen better. I do have a fake iPad 2 dock.
Don't worry,
I
it gets
bought on
better
eBay,
later.
and I ordered this right afterwards, and it's tight fit too, but it wobbles on it. So, anyways, this is my review of the camera connection kit from China. Pretty good quality. Not as good as Apple's, but it's good. I recommend this. It sells around $6 on eBay. Just search iPad connection kit, and it will look like this with this on it. Just get it. Peace out.